everyone, my name is Fo, and I want to talk about how my natural hair routine is inaccessible to a lot of people, and it is very expensive. Yes, it is less expensive than a lot of the habits that a lot of black women have formed in terms of buying product after product. You go into a lot of black women's bathrooms and they have just shelves and shelves of product. Even though the product might be $5 each, if you put all that together, they've spent so much money. I would say that my product use is less expensive than that, but still my products are expensive. So listen, I recognize the privilege in my routine. Like when I was in the shower yesterday styling my hair, and I was using warm, better quality water the whole time. I was just like, dang, like my hairstyling is so inaccessible for so many women. So I am going to be more conscious of my water use, but also just being conscious in general of how this is evidence of how black people are oppressed, even down to just being able to do their hair at home. The water is not the best quality oftentimes. I remember 2 years ago, I hope you all can still hear me, I'm outside. I remember 2 years ago when I experienced hard water for the first time. And the hard water, it made my hair so brittle, it just started to break. And I didn't even understand what was going on until October of 2019. October of 2019 is when I found Black Girl Curls. Black Girl Curls is a community founded by two cosmetologists who explain natural hair from their perspective as professionals, and from having worked with products every day, having worked with kinky, curly, wavy hair every single day. These women have taken multiple different classes in addition to them going to school for hair. They're very knowledgeable, but the privilege of me even being able to do their online digital salon, which was $25, it's just like, wow, the privilege of me being able to go to a stylist, a curly stylist, a curl artist. I think that's the best way to say it. The privilege of me being able to go to a curl artist stylist for $200 and something for my initial appointment to set me on the right track in terms of getting my hair hydrated. It's just like most black people cannot get on a healthy hair journey in the way that Black Girl Curls, for example, or even Black Girl Curls, for example, sets things up, you know. And I do wonder about that, and I wonder, like, I've never heard them speak. I never heard Black Girl Curls speak about how expensive everything that they're proposing actually is. Yes, it can be more cost effective than the product junkiism that a lot of black women or black people participate in, but overall there are so many people that just don't have it, down to even being able to do their hair in the shower. So what is the alternative for them? Or not alternative, what's the norm for them? What are they supposed to do? So, I mean, I think about that, and I think about how I've talked trash about protective styling on my channel because I've had so many traumatic experiences with protective styling, and I see how so many black women are missing their edges from protective styling. So I'm African American, my mom's African American, my dad is Nigerian. In the Nigerian context, you know, let me give this example. Even the video that I saw recently from Shampoo, she documents her relaxed hair journey. She did a documentary recently on hair in Nigeria, and the elderly Nigerian woman got her hair braided, and you know, after she got her hair braided, you can see that her hairline was like all the way back here. That's traction alopecia from braids and things. So I talk trash about protective styling, but in terms of the resources that black people have access to, and you know, a way that they feel comfortable making themselves look neat and things like that, protective styling is a go-to for that reason. And the way that I style my hair with washing goes and things like that, it's not possible to be a go-to for many black women in the vein that Black Girl Curls talks about it. Hydro Bar Salon, I think, is a little bit it's less expensive, but I don't know if they're as effective as Black Girl Curls, because they recommend things like the Matrix Biolage shampoo and conditioner, and Aunt Jackie's gel, and the mild custard you can get at CVS for a discount. The Matrix Biolage shampoo and conditioner you can get at Sally Beauty, the Great Value version, in these huge tubs. And it's like their suggestions are more palatable for Black people who aren't able to afford $26 hair gel from Innocence. But it's like, I don't know in the long run what is actually necessary for our hair to be at its best health. I don't know. Like, I was talking to my mom and I was like, yeah, I feel guilty for how expensive my products are. And, you know, she was like, but you need to use the best. Just go ahead and use the best. Go ahead and use what your stylist tells you to use. But I'm not going to act like I don't record these videos and put this material out here and not think about how, wow, there are a lot of people who won't be able to do what I'm doing. And I see hairstylists that do things in a different way. Like, say for instance, they go about with protective styling to ensure the health of the hair, and it works out awesome for them. Like a Nigerian stylist that I follow on Instagram, at Yellow CC, she does protective styling mainly, and she also uses henna. And you know, henna is the reason why I have my hair cut this short right now, because I'm transitioning out of henna. And with her, it's working just fine for how she likes to style her hair, which is in, you know, twist outs or different updos and protective styling. But how I want to wear my hair, define my own curls, it's not going to work for me. But it's just like, it's working fine for her, and it works fine for a lot of women in that context. Like, no, some women don't have time to wash their hair every 7 days, or not leave their hair in twist and wash it and things like that. So yeah, I'm thinking about this, and you know, maybe it's something we can get in the comments and chat about. We can do a part 2 to this video, and some solutions to the fact that we can discuss solutions to the fact that so many Black people don't even have access to the water to be able to do their hair the way that I do my hair. What are some ways that other people can be able to enjoy defining their curls without paying an arm and a leg? Let's chat in the comments. These are just my thoughts. I'm just rambling, but I thought that I should get this perspective out there and let you all know that when I put things on here, I'm not saying to you all, oftentimes when I put things on here, I'm not saying to you all, oh, go do it. You know, it's not necessarily what I'm saying. I'm largely trying to make sure that I say that this is what I'm doing, this is what I do, and if it somehow helps you, that's amazing. And also, if it acts as a yield sign to a lot of the madness that is on YouTube that I suffered from for years, having been natural for so many years, for 10 years, and to not fully know how to care for my hair until now, I don't like that. So I hope that my channel can serve as a yield sign for so many people, so they aren't flooded with just junk that you don't have to do in order to have healthy natural hair. That's why I'm here. But let's chat in the comments. Please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Fo. Bye-bye.